Alright, quick little recap. Doing the hood stack on my beautiful 2003 F250, F350. And we got the exhaust off. We have done the cutting, and we have turned about a 45-degree 3.5 inch pipe that comes off the turbo. We turned it into close to 110, 120 degree, which is going to be a good enough curve to get it out of the hood and sticking forward. So now we had to make a bunch of cuts in it to do that. So now I'm going to weld them all back together. And then after that, we'll have to weld the other pieces onto it. And then after that, we pretty much drill a hole in the hood and clamp her down. And that'll be our hood stack, baby. We're getting close. I think it should be done today, hopefully. Alright, so this is our pipe that we mangled up. This side looks nice. Now I'm going to have to weld that sucker right back together. So I'm going to tape it and then refit it. That side's pretty janky. That side's nice, eh? We'll weld that sucker back together. That'll be alright. Alright, so I've determined that this is where we need it to be in terms of angle. We're coming off the turbo. So now it's time to go weld it. Let's see what we can do. Our next thing we have to work through is cutting these slits to somehow clamp it down and make this 4-inch pipe fit to a 3-inch pipe. So I'm going to do some cutting. So, here it is. First weld of this like 120 degree piece to this 4-inch pipe. And it looks like there's no holes, but we will see. I have to get this crap out of there somehow. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be my next task. Mr. Paul stepping in to grind some of my greasy ass welds, huh?
Greasy ass welds.
That exhaust, baby. Paul, why don't you show us what you're doing here?
Well,
what do we got
this
here?
Is what we made.
That one seam might be hot.
A little bit hot still. That's the angle we needed to get out. And then we went from 3.5 to 4. And then we're going to finish off with 5 at the end. But theoretically, we're just going to put her on and start her up, and it should be fine as long as there's no leaks in the seals or anything. But this is what we made.
It's my weld job, so it's gonna be my fault if there is.
Custom fab work. Let's put her on. You line her up, I'll get this. Topside creeper. Put a little kit there that's going to keep it straight so it's not jiggling back and forth when you drive.
Oh my God! Now all we have to do is take this carpet crap off. Got a hole in my hood. This is bull crap. Lee, get this shit out of here. Oh, don't break that bulb. That's way nice. Yeah.
Look at those welts. Those are fatties.
These guys?
Yeah.
Could do those. How do you play this game?
I believe you just mark out the corner and then theoretically it should go up there. No.
I mean, I guess it doesn't have to come right square because we've got an inch to play with. But
How do you play this game?
how do you play this game, huh?
Really not that thick once you get rid of that wall.
The champ is here. The champ is here. And he is attacking. Upon the roasted pine. He's probably gonna lick your piss. What do we got here, boys? Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Hood stack of the year.
Well, we did it. Pretty much our first automotive project Heavy Brown and I ever did. And we hood stacked the 6.0. We're pretty proud of our work. We think it looks pretty good. We're waiting for the hood stack kit just to make it look even more professional, but I mean it fits. It's all pretty snug. We've tried it out. It works good. And it was a hell of a time. We literally did every single step of the entire project. We got a bunch of tools. We spent a lot of time on Google. We rented a welder. Matt did the welding himself. And we grinded it. We did it all. So it's a true project. Like, we got nobody to help us. And we had a lot of obstacles. It was not smooth at all, but I mean, we got it done. So that's kind of what we're trying to show here, is that if you just keep trying, then you can do it. And here's exactly what happened when we just put our mind to it. The hardest part, I mean, besides finding out where it comes out of, which seems pretty basic, but at the time we had no idea. I'd say the hardest part was just making enough space. I mean, the route is just not ideal. I mean, it's better than like a 4th gen Cummins, but still not ideal, not a lot of space. I mean, nothing was too hard, everything was doable, but almost every step we had a couple hiccups every time.
Mm-hmm. We put the pieces together, just took it slow and made it work, you know? It was, it's great because all these Ford guys on the internet, 6.0, I see them talking about doing a hood stack for a 6.0. I've never actually seen one. So I don't know, if you have a hood stack 6.0, let me know, or if you know anyone that does, post a picture or something. But you know, as far as I know, I'm one of the only ones that exist. So it's pretty cool to do for our first automotive project, having absolutely zero idea what we're doing.
Would you do it again?
What's that?
Would you do it again?
Oh yeah. I mean, I would love to. I think I'm gonna have to like take it out and do a couple little mods, because we got to put the rest of the hood stack kit into it, which kind of just like outlines the lip here and makes it makes this kind of connection between the stack and the hood a little more professional looking. It'll like clamp down around it and make it a little better. There's definitely still some like maybes about the project. Like, I don't know what to do if it like rains heavily, if I should like block that off. I'm assuming water getting in there is probably not great. And yeah, other than that, I'm like amped on the project because now I got a hood stack and I feel accomplished.
Do you feel like you learned any new skills?
Oh yeah, welding. I can pretty much weld now. Not good, but I can get it done. What else did I learn? I just learned about the truck in general. There's tons of things that we had to learn about the engine bay, where shit was, in case we had to move it for the hood stack. So if you set out to do one thing, it's not like you're just gonna learn about that one part of the truck. You're really gonna learn about a lot more. So do one upgrade, and that knowledge seeps into other areas, because now I know a lot more of what's going on under my hood than I did before.
I know more about your hood than mine.
Let's see how she works. Is it gonna work? Ba, 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 ba. Good job. And we put that hood stack in. So come, our next project's gonna be bigger than ever. You will not believe what we're doing. It's gonna be even more technical than doing the hood stack. So stay tuned. Heavy Brown out.